Vitamins and minerals are nutrients your body needs in small amounts to work properly and stay healthy. Most people should get all the nutrients they need by having a varied and balanced diet, although some people may need to take extra supplements. Vitamins help your body grow and work the way it should. There are 13 essential vitamins: vitamins A, C, D, E, K, and the B vitamins: thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, B6, B12, and folate. Vitamins have different jobs to help keep the body working properly. Some vitamins help you resist infections and keep your nerves healthy, while others may help your body get energy from food or help your blood clot properly. By following the dietary guidelines, you will get enough of most of these vitamins from food. Like vitamins, minerals also help your body function. Minerals are elements that our bodies need to function that can be found on the earth and in foods. Some minerals, like iodine and fluoride, are only needed in very small quantities. Others, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, are needed in larger amounts. As with vitamins, if you eat a varied diet, you will probably get enough of most minerals. Most older people can get all the nutrients they need from foods. But if you aren't sure, talk with your doctor or a registered dietitian to find out if you are missing any important vitamins or minerals. He or she may recommend a vitamin or dietary supplement. If you do need to supplement your diet, look for a supplement that contains the vitamin or mineral you need without a lot of other unnecessary ingredients. Read the label to make sure the dose is not too large. Avoid supplements with mega doses. Too much of some vitamins and minerals can be harmful, and you might be paying for supplements you don't need. Your doctor or pharmacist can recommend brands that fit your needs. Eating more fresh vegetables and fruit also helps. They are naturally low in sodium and provide more potassium. Get your sauce and dressing on the side and use only as much as you need for taste. Vitamin A can be found in products such as eggs and milk. It can also be found in vegetables and fruits, like carrots and mangoes. Fruits and vegetables are some of the best sources of vitamin C. Citrus fruits, tomatoes, and potatoes can be a large source of vitamin C. Vitamin E can be found in nuts like peanuts and almonds and can be found in vegetable oils, too. It can also be found in green vegetables, like broccoli and spinach. You can find vitamin B1 in meat, especially pork, and fish. It's also in whole grains and some fortified breads, cereals, and pastas. You can find vitamin B2 in eggs and organ meat, such as liver and kidneys, and lean meat. You can also find it in green vegetables, like asparagus and broccoli. Vitamin B3 can be found in some types of nuts, legumes, and grains. It can also be found in poultry, beef, and fish. Vitamin K can be found in many foods including green leafy vegetables, like spinach and kale, and in some fruits, such as blueberries and figs. It can also be found in cheese, eggs, and different meats. Folate can be found in vegetables and fruit, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach, and oranges. It can also be found in nuts, beans, and peas.